Nice to meet you.
Look at the key if it's worn out or anything.
Okay.
So my girl was gonna try to hot wire, but I was like, nah, don't do that because I don't want to mess up the cylinder.
Okay.
So we just left the parts there.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
The ignition?
Yes, the ignition.
30.
Okay.
Alright. Deal?
Yes.
Oh.
What time we fix it, we can turn it. When you use it, you have to pull all the way down. And that's it, okay? Check it out for yourself.